Want to move your USDT between Kraken and Binance quickly and securely? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to get it done right. First, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the withdrawal page. Find USDT in your asset list. Click on it, and then select Withdraw. This is crucial. Choose the right network. Binance supports several USDT networks like ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20. Double-check which network Binance accepts for USDT deposits at the time you are moving USDT. Selecting the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Now, head over to your Binance account and go to the deposit section. Select USDT, the coin you want to deposit, and carefully choose the same network you picked on Kraken, such as TRC20. Binance will then display your USDT deposit address. Copy this address precisely and paste it into the withdrawal address field on Kraken. Triple-check every character to avoid mistakes. A single wrong character will cause the transaction to fail. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Be aware of the transaction fees charged by both Kraken and Binance. Confirm all the details, including the amount, address, and network. Enter your two-factor authentication code for added security. This helps protect your account from unauthorized withdrawals. Once confirmed on Kraken, the transfer begins. You can track the progress on both Kraken's withdrawal history and Binance's deposit history. Transfer times vary depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will appear in your Binance account. Congratulations, you successfully transferred USDT from Kraken to Binance. Remember, security is key, so always double-check addresses and use 2FA.